This is Britta trying to attempt her first somersault in her life. Her first one did not go very well in her 7-year-old dance ballet.
Ready? Swing. And that's it. No, you don't let your forehead hit the ground. You have to. You can't do it. You have to roll. You're trying to do a headstand. You're not supposed to balance on top of your head. You're going to put it into the table. Okay, come back over here. Go like that. Oh. Yeah, like a little frog. Ribbit, ribbit. And then you go, you touch your head and... That was so hard! Put it on the top of your head. It's like you have to...
Britta might have a concussion at the end of this.
It's like a rolling motion. Can you do it again? Fall on top of your head. No, I can't do that.
See how she doesn't fall on her head? She uses her body to get over.
No. Stay down. Stay down. Put your head down. Down. Okay. You have to start, like, pushing off of your feet before your head hits the ground. Oh, okay. It really shouldn't hit the ground. No. You don't start with your head on the ground. Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't know what else to do. That's what my mom.
Her 7-year-old dance tap was not
She gave up on me
successful.
when I was 6 years old. Not on life, just on somersaults, people. You kind of have to hold yourself with your hands first until your head is somewhat... Is this for real? Oh my god, I can't do it. I'm not just like trying to be dumb. I don't know. I could do it when I was like really little. Tuck you? No.
Don't push your head down, Britta. Don't put your head down before Mallory tells you to.
Okay. Now, go off your feet a little bit. You don't jump.
Don't jump.
No, it's just like you roll.
I went over to Logan's apartment yesterday. I told him
I can't do it.
it wasn't me and we should just go back to being friends. Instead he decided to...
It hasn't even been 3 minutes yet.
It has. I just started a new one.
May have started off a little rocky.
Somersault to the camera. Here I come. This is it. My big moment.
Okay, I have everything I need. Let's keep going, Logan.
Are you really trying to do one?
Yes!
Maybe I need to get closer to my body. Nope, that's worse.
Do you put walnuts in your bechamel? Do you put walnuts in your bechamel?
Go out.
You don't put walnuts in your bechamel.
I don't know. Okay.
Watch Mallory do it one more time. Watch how her head doesn't hit until her body's already up in the air.
You're like this. Okay? And then you go forward a little bit and then you're going to touch your head. So
You put goat cheese in the fennel salad.
you make it look so easy.
Because it is.
Come on, toss a couple of those into the fennel salad.
There you go. Ready?
I just assumed. You just assumed I put goat cheese in the fennel salad. And walnuts in the bechamel. I did not put walnuts in the bechamel. Are you having me bring you my food? You are.
Oh, you almost had it. That was better, Britta. That was
like the right motion.
Yeah, that was awesome. I thought you almost had it. Go! Oh! You can't hit your head like that. Tuck your head.
Okay, here's the deal. Announcement, please. From this moment on, there will be no more
Didn't you have to do this in gym class when you were little?
here to the
I
dining
don't
room.
know.
And that is it. No
I'm not.
Because I had to pass the test or whatever.
I think I did. Probably failed.
And we'll be here waiting for you when you get back. Until then, sit back.
Oh my god! You're so really hurt.
I think we need to end this.
We need to stop before you like forget how to
How about we
get
start
back.
another day?
Crap, I was gonna leave at 5:30.
Britta, is it you that won or the somersault today?
Yeah, I
Lift your hips up.
Oh, you almost hit it! It's already hurting my head.
That's why you gotta
Maybe
keep
I
going.
have a weak skull.
No, you're fine.
You're not supposed to land.
My hair.
You're not supposed to land on your skull.
Oh.
So that's not an excuse either.
Lift your hips.
Oh my god!
You almost hit it.
You just have to go with it. You just have to go with
Now when
it.
you lift your hips up, push your legs, and that's how you go.
Okay, I'm so scared I'm just gonna break my neck.
You're not, because look at what we've done.
I know, but
But you can't keep it straight.
How long that is?
No, stop. You have to just keep your chin tucked in.
That didn't count though. It didn't count though.
So do it yourself. Now you know how it feels, except you gotta do it a little quicker. I couldn't really get your take off. Your cheek a little weird you down a little.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Don't touch it. I want to try to do it.
Okay.
Not do it. Okay.
Lift your hips. No, you just gotta push it.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh! Come on, Britta.
Cheer me on.
You can do it, Britta.
Don't do that. Don't do it.
Britta.
I said no.
Britta. Britta.
Oh.
That's how you do not do a somersault.
Yeah, that's what I meant to show the video. I can't do it.
You just have to do it fast.
Okay, fast. I'm trying to do it fast and I'm so scared I'm just gonna go up.
Lift your hips.
That was Britta's first somersault.
Yay, Britta!
Yeah, Mom! I finally learned!
Do another one, do another one.
No, I can't ruin that.